Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Mazzer with us in the shop. It's a Mazzer Mini, and it came in for just routine maintenance, pretty much deep cleaning both the inner burr chamber and also replacing the burrs. These are the original burrs, as you can see, quite built up, coffee around all the edges, and here's the second one. There you are. So we replace these with brand new ones. Also, while we're in there, we realized that all of these springs, the three that are located on each side that holds or that compresses the burr carrier, the top plate, they're all rusted. We tried to fix them, reuse them, but ran into issues with it, alignment and stuff like that. So we replaced all three springs, and also we replaced the power cord. As you can see, there's a black one now because this gray one, the original one here, as you can see, had a lot of the protective shrink over it, exposed, and we want, of course, that's not good for safety reasons, so we did replace the entire cord. And now we're going to quickly test the grinder by turning it on. We're going to let it grind all the coffee in the hopper. Now I did calibrate it to close to espresso grind. Of course, you still have adjustment. If this is too fine, go coarser. If it's too coarse, go finer. Yeah, so we're just going to let it all grind out. I'm going to close this so it stops bouncing out. So we're going to put our hand under here. As you can see, the espresso grind that comes out is nice and fine. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.